Is this the end or just another buying opportunity? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, February the 22nd. This update will be brought to you by the CTG Group, one of our broker partners. And of course, we have other brokers, but who we prefer for futures and commodities is the CTG Group. They handle all of our letter of direction trading. They're the only ones authorized to do so. They trade all my accounts as well, plus the fact that they've got great customer service and some terrific managed futures products. Check them out, the CTG Group. And of course, markets were gapped higher last night and looked like they were going to go to Pluto again. And suddenly they reversed and went the other direction. And as it stands now, the Dow and the Russell are not under too much pressure. Actually, they might even be close to higher again before you get this. But the NASDAQ is down over 200 at the moment. And the S&P is down over 20 at the moment. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes. Look, we're still long. We'll be long at least until tomorrow. And nothing will change that until the trend changes. And until further notice, the trend is up. Oil, crude, boy, you let the OPEC, you let the crooks back in charge, and oil just goes exploding. And once again, it's up almost $2 today, which is almost laughable. But look, you take away your own supply and you have to go out and buy it elsewhere, you're going to pay more for it. The metals are kind of mixed, and of course, nothing has changed direction. Platinum is just, I think, going in some consolidation. It's a little lower this morning. Gold and silver are both higher, and we're long gold, long silver, short gold. And natural gas a little bit lower. The weather is starting to warm up again, so you had that big weather rally. We're still long. Copper may never go down again. It goes up every day. It's amazing the run that it's on, and it looks like it's going to take a target at the all-time highs in copper, but we're still long it, so it's all good. And the dollar under a little pressure this morning. And again, we assume that we're still long, but I assume at some point here we'll be reversing. Bonds and notes have been on both sides of unchanged. Last I looked, they were higher, but by the time you see this, it could be lower. We're still short both, and the apparency there is that the overall Fed is wrong as usual. That inflation is here because the bond markets are telling you that there's inflation, but of course the Fed will continue to give you their ridiculous excuses. In the meantime, it hasn't changed. Bonds are still pretty much under pressure. And in the grains, a little mixed today. They were higher, they're lower. Right now, corn and wheat are higher, soybeans a little bit lower. But again, these are just consolidating, back and forth, boom, 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 bouncing. I don't see anything to worry about. We're long across the board. Cattle and hogs, the same thing. Fat and some feeders are slightly lower. Hogs are higher. But again, as I keep saying almost every day, they are putting on a move similar to what we saw in the grains before they exploded the upside. So until proven wrong, A, we're long, and B, I expect them to go much higher. In the softs, cotton continues on its highs, which another reason to talk about inflation, right? The cotton is up. OJ is down a little bit. Coffee, we were short. We reversed, and it's up about $4 or 4 cents this morning. Okay. And sugar continues to go up to highs it hasn't seen for a long time. We're still long. And cocoa is higher, which I'm assuming is a day or so away from getting long as well. But you can see we're on the right side of most markets because we're only playing the trend and we're trading mechanically without emotion and without any other decision making. So again, just be prepared, right? Always be prepared, never be surprised. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at Tradier. They do options and equities. And of course, I have other equities accounts as well, but I use mostly Tradier, because it's $10 a month. We've got their API, so everything I do with them is automated. If I choose to do so, you don't have to, but it's still $10 a month either way. Okay. And, they gave a free options course out, which was great. And of course, our partners at Family Farms, look, they do a great job. We have not been able to do a lot of things together yet because of this pandemic, but we're looking forward to their event coming up in March. And of course, we're looking back to getting to live events soon. But Family Farms, great partner. And of course, our commodity report with Andy Hecht, as I say to you, there's nothing better. Technical. And of course, we'll be doing another presentation on that in a couple of weeks. I'll give you more information when it's available. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day.